Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The CCI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices settled lower on Friday, but recorded a second straight week of gains, garnering support from a US interest rate cut and a dip in US supply. Signs of a slowing economy in major commodity consumer China gave prices a ceiling, but for the week, both benchmarks settled up more than 4%. Gold soared above the $2,600 level on Friday for the first time, extending a rally boosted by bets for further US interest rate cuts and rising tensions in the Middle East. Spot gold was up 1.3%. Sterling edged up against the dollar and the euro to finish last week, as strong UK retail sales data provided an extra boost to the currency's upbeat trend. It gained 1.23% total on the week.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Dutch gross domestic product at 4:30 GMT. Singapore's consumer price index will be released at 5 GMT. Korea's producer price index growth at 21 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.